Beginner graphic tablets offer an affordable and easy way to start digital art. With features like pressure-sensitive stylus support and simple setup, models like Wacom Intuos, XPPen Deco, and HUION Inspiroy are great for learning the basics without a big investment. Starting at number 1, HUION Inspiroy H1060p. The HUION Art Tablet is a sleek and efficient drawing tool that features a USB connectivity technology and offers an impressive 892 levels of pressure sensitivity, making it suitable for various operating systems including Android 6.0 or later, Linux, Ubuntu, Mac OS 10.12 or later, and Windows 7 or later. With a working area of 10 outside 6.25 inches, this ultra-slim tablet, measuring just 10 millimeters in thickness, combines a minimalist design with a larger workspace for enhanced user comfort. It comes equipped with a battery-free stylus, the PW100, which eliminates the need for charging and allows for uninterrupted drawing sessions. The tablet also supports plus to 60-degree or tilt functionality, enabling users to create diverse line inputs with precision. Additionally, it features 12 programmable press keys and 16 programmable soft keys, allowing users to customize shortcut keys based on their preferences for tasks such as erasing, zooming in and out, and scrolling. Number 2, XPPen Drawing Tablet. The XPPen Artist 13.3 Pro is a portable drawing tablet that connects via USB and is compatible with Windows 10, 8, 7, and Mac OS X 1010 or later. This tablet features an impressive pressure sensitivity of 16,384 levels, allowing for precise and nuanced drawing. It includes a 3-in-1 cable for easy connection to a computer or laptop, as it requires such a connection to operate. One of its standout features is the tilt function, which supports up to 60 degrees, enabling users to add shading effortlessly without needing to constantly adjust brush settings in software. The tablet boasts a 13.3-inch fully laminated FHD display with high color accuracy, 88% NTSC, Adobe RGB greater than or equal to 91%, and sRGB greater than or equal to 123%, along with a 178-degree viewing angle, ensuring rich colors and vivid images for a more immersive creative experience. Number 3, XPPen Artist 24 Pro. The XPPen Artist 22 second drawing tablet is designed for artists and designers, featuring advanced IPS display technology that ensures superior color accuracy and consistency. With a remarkable 16.7 million color depth and a brightness of 250 CDML2, it brings artwork to life with stunning clarity. The tablet boasts an expansive color gamut offering sRGB as 122%, Adobe RGB Glass OS 90%, and 86% NTSC, making it ideal for professional graphic design, digital painting, and photo editing. Its spacious 21.5-inch screen, with a resolution of 1920 x 1080 and a 178-degree viewing angle, enhances visibility and detail, allowing for easy sharing in various lighting conditions. Additionally, it supports USB connectivity and features an impressive pressure sensitivity of 892 levels, compatible with Windows 7 or later, and Mac OS X 10.10 or later, making it a versatile tool for drawing, e-learning, and working on creative projects. Number 4, HUION Inspiroy Frego Drawing Tablet. The HUION Inspiroy Frego Art Tablet boasts a minimalist design, featuring a clean drawing canvas without physical shortcut keys, and offers a working area of 10 by 6.25 inches, which is slightly smaller than an A4 sheet of paper. It provides flexible connectivity options, allowing users to connect via Bluetooth or USB-C cable, and is equipped with a powerful battery that fully charges in just 2.5 hours, delivering up to 24 hours of use. The tablet's PenTech 3.0 Plus includes the slim PW50S pen, characterized by a 9.5mm diameter and a 0.4mm retraction distance for precise drawing. Additionally, the pen features 2 programmable side keys for quick access to essential functions like brush, eraser, zoom, and undo, making it an excellent choice for digital artists across various operating systems including Android, Linux, Mac OS X, and Windows. Number 5. Wacom Cintiq 16 Drawing Tablet. The Wacom Cintiq 16 is a creative pen display that offers optimized features for artists, hobbyists, and students. making it suitable for use in various environments such as campuses, studios, or homes. It boasts a high-definition LCD display with vibrant colors, uniform brightness, and true-to-life color quality, compatible with both Windows 7 and Mac OS 10.12 Sierra. The included ProPen 2 provides exceptional precision with 892 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt recognition, and 2 customizable switches for easy access to shortcuts, ensuring a virtually lag-free drawing experience. The design incorporates anti-glare glass and relaxed parallax, allowing users to maintain full control with their fingertips while creating art that feels as natural as drawing on paper. The package includes the Wacom Cintiq 16 display, ProPen 2, 3 replacement nibs, a nib remover, a 3-in-1 connectivity cable, an AC adapter, a power cable, and a quick start guide.